kind of attacks, they are not possible without the external as well as internal facilitation. So have you picked up, or have you, point out some kind of internal facilitation which has been given to these terrorists from internal security forces or maybe intelligence agencies? And would you mind calling it an intelligence failure, as you have already been stated that security forces were not aware of such kind of a big attack? How BLA could get this much power that such a big terrorist incident has happened under the nose of government and security forces, and any specific plan to curb this these kind of situations in future, please?
You as a journalist must be getting many leads on stories, but you can't cover all the leads. You can't even cover all the stories which are happening right now in Pakistan. It's not possible. So intelligence agency hai, it also operates in with lot of information, a lot that is happening. And once you see in the context of Balochistan, so Balochistan is 44% of Pakistan. 50% of the terrain of Balochistan is mountainous, 20% is desert, and it's sparsely populated. It's a very challenging intelligence environment which Balochistan is. And our intelligence agencies, all types, they work day and night to find these leads, जिस तरह आपने कहा, to try to find these leads and preempt and get, and और इससे पहले कि कोई वाकया हो और कोई हादसा हो और कोई टेररिस्ट इंसिडेंट हो, उसको preempt करें, उसको न्यूट्रलाइज करें. लेकिन इंटेलिजेंस के अंदर होता ये है कि जहां आपको एक फेलियर नजर आता है, उसके पीछे, जिसको आप पॉइंट आउट करते हैं कि ये आप क्यों हो गया, जिस तरह आप कह रही हैं कि आपने एक वर्ड यूज किया कि इंटेलिजेंस फेलियर है, विच आई डोंट एग्री, बिकॉज इसके पीछे हजारों इंटेलिजेंस की सक्सेस स्टोरीज भी होती हैं विच यू डोंट नो, द इंसिडेंट्स विच डिड नॉट हैपन because our intelligence was able to successfully detect them, get them neutralized. There are many active incidents which happen, और जहां पे आपको पता चलता है कि जो अटैक करने आते टेररिस्ट, they were taken down and properly sorted because there was active intelligence about that. इंटेलिजेंस की गेम ऐसी है कि जिसके अंदर आप अपनी कामयाबियों की चेस्ट थंपिंग नहीं करते. You don't tell what we are doing, how we are doing. This is the game of